This short video will show how to attach the Cascade Rescue Terra Tamer Litter Wheel to a litter for patient transport. The saddle may be attached to the litter with the wheel installed and pinned, or the saddle can be attached to the litter first and the wheel added later. If the straps have been fastened and secured for storage, rotate all 4 straps to the proper orientation. Release the straps from the buckles by pulling up the release tab forcefully while pulling the strap out of the buckle. Place the flat side of the saddle on the bottom of the litter, centered from the short sides and slightly towards the head to ensure that the litter system is well balanced once the patient is loaded. Make certain that the saddle is oriented so that the straps can be run over the top rail of the litter and the wheel will face the correct direction once it is mounted. Run the ends of the straps over the exposed top rail of the litter and back to the buckle assembly. Push the straps through the buckles until they are hand tight, making sure to keep the saddle properly positioned. Tighten each of the 4 straps using the ratchets until the saddle is securely in place. Pull the 4 locking pins from the saddle fork receiver holes and remove the plugs. Place the wheel forks into the receiver holes and pin each one. Run the brake cable and brake lever between the rails and fasten the brake lever to the top rail at the head or the foot of the litter, or attach it to the equalizer handles, which are sold separately. Before loading and evacuating a patient, make certain that all 4 leg forks are pinned and that all straps have been ratcheted tight.